Hello Russia, this is Mark in England. Just to let you know that I've done your laser for you. Okay, this is the one that I'm sending you. This is the replacement. This is the one that you bought, you paid the money for off eBay. Okay, to show you what you've got here. So this one's fully working for you. And I've made sure, okay, that you've got exactly the same board. Okay, the board is exactly the same as your one here. Okay, if you look here, this is the chipset. This is the chip here. Okay, so this one here, okay, is the chip, and it's the same on this one here. Okay, so I've done that for you. And as you can see, it's all working. So that's all working good for you, Alexa. So I hope you're happy with that. You got a 6-month warranty on that as well. Okay, on the whole part. So if you get any problems with that at all, I'll replace that for you, or repair that for you. All we ask is the shipping. But yeah, you shouldn't have any problems with it, because it's a very new part. This one, it's had very little use. I've checked everything for you to make sure that you've got a good one. So I trust this is okay with you. So thank you ever so much, and you guys have a great Christmas in Russia. I hope it ain't snowing. Thank you.